The objective of the bender job is to bend and form a ladder handrail. The equipment used includes a bender and racks with completed handrails. The tools used include a stapler, a tape measure, and a pen. The materials used include rail stock that is bent into a handrail and white tags. The work environment is an inside work environment with heat and no air conditioning. The personal protective equipment includes floor mats, safety glasses, gloves with a rubber palm, steel-toed shoes, and hearing protection. The worker observed was 5 feet 7 inches tall. The work methods for the bender job begin by getting the rail stock. Then workers position the rail stock in the bender. Next, they get the bender controller. Workers then activate the bender with their right hand and position the rail stock with their left hand for a total of 5 different bends. Then they remove the handrail from the bender. They next carry the handrail to the rack area. Workers then write information on the tag. Next, they secure the tag to a set of handrails using the stapler. There were several ergonomic risk factors observed for the bender position. Repeated and sustained exertions were rated as a medium pace. Hands were in steady motion or exertion to form the ladder handrail. Brief pauses were observed. Sustained exertions were observed and included continuous standing and continuously holding or guiding the rail. Forceful exertions were required to get, lift, carry, and position the handrail. They were also required to guide the handrail in the bender. Forceful exertions were additionally necessary when stapling the tag. Awkward postures were observed and include elevated arm, wrist extension or backwards bending, and forearm pronation to position the rail in the bender. Elevated arm, wrist extension, and forearm pronation to remove the handrail from the bender. Forearm supination to position the rail in the bender. Torso flexion or forward bending to get rail stock. Elevated arms to carry the handrail. Elevated arms and forearm pronation to staple the tag to the handrail. The mechanical or localized contact stress observed was contact stress between the forearms, hands, and fingers and the edges of the stapler and rail. It is important to note that gloves are worn. The recommendations for the bender job include: investigate tilting the bender so workers do not have to hold the rail throughout the process to decrease sustained exertions and awkward postures. Investigate mechanical assists and/or fixtures to hold the rail in the bender to decrease sustained exertions and awkward postures. Consider using an adjustable height rack for the rail stock to decrease awkward postures.